The Steducentre Grade 1 ANA 2013 Exam Review Maths. Question 1. Draw a cross or an X on the object that can slide. We have a picture of a ball and a box. The ball will roll and the cube or box will slide. So you draw an X on the box. Question 2. Count the number of umbrellas in the picture, then write down the number symbol and the number name. 2.1. The number symbol is. 2.2. The number name is. The number symbol is 10. There are 10 umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Examples of number symbols are listed. A number name is the word. For example, ONE for 1, TWO for 2, THREE for 3, FOUR for 4, FIVE for 5, SIX for 6, SEVEN for 7, EIGHT for 8, NINE for 9, and 10, TEN. And the question asked, the number symbol is 10 and the number name is TEN. Fill in the missing numbers 20, 30, space, space, 60, space, 80. Number patterns have a relationship with each other, something in common that works for the whole pattern. In this case, the numbers are increasing by 10, so the missing numbers are 40, 50, and 70. The whole pattern is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Fill in the answer. 12 minus 3 is equal to what? If I had 12 little circles and I took away 3, I would be left with 9. Draw the next 3 shapes to complete the pattern. Triangle, triangle, circle. Triangle, triangle, circle. A pattern is a regular and intelligible form or sequence discernible in the way in which something happens or is done. So the pattern would be another triangle, triangle, and circle. Complete the number pattern. 2, 12, space, 32, 42, 52. Number patterns have a relationship with each other, something in common that works for the whole pattern. In this case, the numbers are increasing by 10, so the missing number is 22. The full pattern is 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, and 52 for question 6. How many wheels do 7 bicycles have? 7 bicycles have so many wheels. Each bicycle has 2 wheels, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 14 wheels in total. Write the following numbers from the smallest to the greatest. We have 12, 9, 3, 7, and 15. Numbers start from 0, then move from 1 to 10, then the teens, and then 20s. So the correct order is 3, 7, 9, 12, and 15. There are the months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Which is the third month after May? If we count 3 months after May, we have June, July, August. So the third month after May is August. Share 9 cakes equally amongst 3 friends. Each friend gets how many cakes? Each friend will get 3 cakes. Draw a cross or X over the longest object. The first cuboid is the longest object. Use the number line to show how you will calculate 4 plus 2 plus 2. A number line is a line on which numbers are marked at intervals used to illustrate simple numerical operations. So you go from the 0 to the 4, 4 to 6, from the 6 to the 8 to show 4 plus 2 plus 2. Half of 12 is what? Half of a number means that you are dividing the total between 2 people. So, if I had 12 and I had to divide it between 2 people, each will have 6, 6. Draw pictures to answer the story sum. Lerato has 11 lollipops and John has 5 lollipops. How many lollipops does John have less than Lerato? John has so many lollipops less than Lerato. So if Lerato has 11 lollipops and John has 5 lollipops, it means that John has 6 less than Lerato. Eva buys a ball for 5 rand and 2 apples for 2 rand each. She pays with a 10 rand banknote. The apple is 2 rand and the ball is 5 rand. How much did she spend altogether? 15.2. How much change must she get? Please note in the story that she buys 2 apples, not just 1. So 2 rand plus 2 rand is 4 rand, plus the ball for 5 rand is equal to 9 rand. So therefore, she will spend 9 rand and get 1 rand's change. Draw a line on the picture to show symmetry. Symmetry is the quality of being made up of exactly similar parts facing each other or around an axis or an imaginary line to divide something into equal parts. The line goes straight down the middle of the butterfly. Look at the graph below and then answer the question. We have a picture or a graph of cars that were collected by 4 grade 1 learners. Across, we have the names of the learners, Jack, Tundi, Peter, and Nora. We also have the number of cars that each have collected. So Jack has got 2, Tundi has got 5, Peter has got 1, and Nora has got 2. How many more cars did Tundi collect than Peter? Since Tundi has 5 cars and Peter has 1 car, she has collected 4 more cars than Peter. Thank you for watching the Steducentre, turning ordinary learners into extraordinary leaders.